Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. If this is your first time using Gmail, to create an account, we need to go to the official website. In the address bar, type gmail.com. After that, we click on Create an Account. In any of the two buttons, they are the same. Now, we start filling our information. The first thing is to write our names. Then we write our Gmail user. This is how our mail will be called publicly. Gmail allows the use of letters, numbers and periods. In my case ricardo.how2@gmail.com. Then, we write our password, twice. We must use at least 8 characters. Gmail recommends that we combine it with letters, numbers and symbols. This is for security reasons. Then we click on Next. After that, for security reasons Google asks us to write our cell phone. First we choose our country. Then we write the number and click on Next. We must wait a few minutes, we will get a text message. If you want you can receive it by call by pressing Call instead. If the message does not arrive, we can click on Back and request it again. Excellent. Here I already have the code, I'm going to write it and then we click on Verify. Now, as a security measure, Google asks us to write an alternative email. This is optional. But if one day we lose our password or forget it, we can recover it, in this case, with the cell phone number or with the alternative email. Afterwards, we continue to fill in the information, our date of birth and our gender. We click on Next. Now, Google asks us if we want to add our number to cross other Google services. In this case I don't want to do that. So I will click on More Options and then I will click on the option, Add my number for account security only. This decision is personal, according to what you think is best. Then we click on Done. Now we must read the privacy and terms. We go down with the scroll bar or by clicking the arrow button. Click on I agree. We wait a few seconds and our mail will be available right now. That's it, we have our Gmail account. We can send an email quickly, just click on Compose. Write the email where it says to. We can write several emails at the same time. We write a subject. Then we write the message. If you want to attach a file, photo, document or video, we click on Attach. Then, double-click on the file. We wait for it to load. Finally, we click on Send. That's it. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.